so much everyone for having me here, and I'm very thankful for presenting myself in front of everyone. As you know, I'm Anis Ansari. Today we are going to start debate. I'm supporting two skills. So my point is, we can see medical field. Medical field is developing, and there is a lot of technology, and it's helping to us. How it can possible? Yes, it can possible by skills, because by skills we can develop technology. By talent we can't develop technology. So in future we require technology. So ma'am, sir, what do you think about talent?
Yes, sure, sir. I would like to say about talent. The talent means which you grow, which you get by God. When you understand your talent, so you will understand that yeah, the life which is given by God, that's splendor, like very good for me. So that means when you have a talent, you will understand your life. So let us know the views of Kajal ma'am.
Thank you, Yusuf, for passing this marvelous chance. So I want to tell you about skills. As sir also told about skills, whenever if we in skills we put out talent. Actually, we are going on that position which we want. Means talent and skills. If both are firstly we have missed something talent. Okay, I tell you about. In right now, lots of children have talent, but whenever they are younger, on that time they disconnect talent to skills. So its skills become like they are talented.
Yeah. So Kajal ma'am, I want to add some of the points in the in the skill point of diagram. So let me tell you about the skill. So skill is what? First we consider the skill which make us different from the in group. So like some of the points I'm having is like the communication skill, is like the problem solving, and some of the points also. And skill can help us to pay because if we are having the skill, so we can go in the company and then after we can get the job on the basis of skill. But on the basis of talent we can't get the job, because if we know about the drawing, so drawing can't pass you the job. I think the things
You are absolutely right on your point of views, but what I think that the talent is the foundation. Whenever you are going to develop any skill, so at that time you need a foundation to start something, and that thing is talent, because the talent fetch the foundation of your skills. So talent, there are lots of talents like technical and creative. I want to speak about creative talent because that is not developed. It is not developed. It is natural, because creative mind only few of the people are having. If we take the example of any painter, any music writer, and these kind of people are creative. So that thing can't be developed. It's natural, and that is called the talent. These are my point of views. Well, I want to take few other point of views.
As my dear sister Kainat spoke about the points of talent, so here I would like to add it with these points of talent, that we all are sitting in this academy, Village on English Learning Academy Makrana, and here we are getting a box. We are having a box, but we are not having a key. That key is your talent, and the box is your skills. As you know, the box, if you will open that box, you will get to know that I need to, whatever products we are having in that box, you need to polish out it, and you have to practice. And by practice, I get a best award, that is practice make perfect, and that practice is the part of our skills, and that talent is a key that you are having by your childhood, in your childhood. But you should recognize that yeah, this is my talent, and I should work more in my talent, and I should polish out it with the skills, and should have a help of those products which is in hidden of this academy.
You are absolutely right.
I want to include the sum of points in skills. Skills developed by on we do practice. In mathematics sense, I want to talk about the mathematics. We do practice in our fingers. We do calculate it without the calculator. So that is also a skills. And the talent, it will be do our natural things. What is the gift by God gifted? Our the dance, drawing, singing. That's why our
talent, but skills will be do our hard work and practice.
You are right, ma'am.
Absolutely right.
Okay, I'm agree with your point, but I want to give answer to Payal, ma'am. Then we can get not to job, but if we are talented, then we can get to job earlier because many of companies they want a talented person, not a skilled person. You are right, ma'am.
As my scholar friends already have told about the skills and talents, so I want to add in that. What is skill? Skill is that thing in which you are master. It is the stubborn of you that cannot be snatched by anyone. It is that stubborn that will help you in the future, which is very important for us. Adding that you are father and other things are the son of you. There is not. Now I would like to chance to Ronak sir.
As I am passing the, thank you for inviting me in this debate. There is a two glasses. In this, one glass is filled. Suppose and second is empty. So which glass take more time to fill? Which is empty? Because same difference in between skill and the talent. Because guys having the talent, we should find out that talent. But skill we have to fill by your own. What are the efforts of it? As if you want to be skillful, so we require the three things. First is strategy, second is smart way, and third is professionality. As I am passing the strategy, what's the strategy? Suppose one body having the strategy of cricketer. So how he develop his strategy and how he using the smart way, and how he is playing the cricket. And third thing is professional. How he is professionally in his work. No matter how he is doing the things. When he developed his own things, so he understood what is the strategy, what is the smart way, what is the professionality by doing the work. As I am telling about the talents we having, everyone having, but we have to search in self. Before that, we know what self-awareness is. Like I know in the Makrana is having the gold mines, so I have to dig all these things. I know all the self-awareness.
You have put very nice point. Let us take the point of views of other two who like to speak.
Yeah. Whatever Ronak sir told, I am adding this point. Like I would like to include this point. Like you also told, like in that, like we understand our talent. So this is also a skill. Like we understand our talent. So I would like to ask to Nida ma'am, like that thing is.
Obviously, I would like to answer about your points that as you also spoke about the professional thing, and as my brother Ronak sir speak about the professional point. So here I would like to put one point that is really very nice for me also and for all one. And even we are getting these whole points from our English on Makrana. That is a professional personality. That is a shadow that is hidden into you, but as you will get to know and started to work, that will make you know, and that will push that will put you on a peak level, and that is your dedications, your determinations, and your patience for something.
You are absolutely right, ma'am. Well, I want to add few of the points of view that as you mentioned that these kind of things we are getting on English zone, that is absolutely right. And in this generation we require the damn skilled personality, because by these kind of people we can search the fault, we can solve the critical things, and these kind of people are known nowadays. Talent is required, but there are more requirement of skills nowadays, because in the medical field, as Anisa told, in medical field we require the practice, not the talent. So these point of views are really very nice.
Yeah, ma'am, you are absolutely right. But you not have a talent, so you not get the something. I give the example for you. You all know who is Virat Kohli. Yeah,
yes.
he showed his talent, so he get the something and he get the money. Yeah, but you not show your talent, so you not get something. This is.
So, sir, as you said, Virat Kohli about, so in cricket, sports, these are not talent, these are skills. And which skills giving proud moment to us? They are coming up with gold medal. You know, Neeraj Chopra and me. Yes, and many of the guys there who's coming up with gold medal. So skills giving proud moment to India.
But
Yes.
sir,
you are right that skill gives a proud. But when you understand your talent, the family start forcing you. But when you understand your talent and go to work on it, then you will understand your life that yeah, on this basis, if I choose this point, you will understand that my life is absolutely changed. When you choose someone else problems or answers, that will not pass you a better life. But when you understand your talent, my talent is to be a good learner. So learner means when you are learning from everything. So that means a person has a talent, he understood everything. So let us get the others' views.
Yeah, let me tell you, as you mentioned the point, understand your diagram, like what's your talent. So
Yes.
there is a technique that is called as a Japanese technique like Ikigai. In that we will get to know what's our sense of purpose or what our talent. So let me tell you some of the point is that what you love. It means in which stream, otherwise in which work you are having the interest. And the second one is about the whatever you are having the interest, it is paying you. If it is paying you, so obviously you can pursue. And the third thing is that if you don't know how to do this, so you can pursue on the basis of skill. So yeah, that's my point.
Thank you so
can
much,
understand.
ma'am. You put all the things very nicely, and remaining has also put that preparation. As you know that we had the grades, and by this we have put our by the debate we have put our preparation in front of everyone. As we discuss about the skills and debate in the talent. So these both things are coming in one conclusion that we require the both things, because both things are required for the country, for the economic growth. So while understanding this thing, I understood that we have to require both, and as a student we must work on both things. So thank you so much, you all have done very nicely, and thank you to viewers. Well, in English Zone we are every day having these kind of debates, and by these kind of steps in our life we can recognize that what is our talent and what is our skills. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.